We are at Royal Caribbean's private island called Labadee, Haiti. And this is a beach day. They have a beach barbecue going. You can get all your hot dogs and hamburgers and barbecue chicken that you want. And there's the zip line right up there. We saw some zip liners come down. I'm waiting for another set. And way off in the distance over there, there's a ride called Dragon's Breath that you can get on and enjoy a nice ride up there, adventurous ride that goes around and round. So it's just one of those days. The beach is a little rocky, but the water's like bath water. And we got an 82-degree sunny day, so no complaints here in Labadee, Haiti. We took off from Bayonne February 20th, Friday, and 10-degree weather with below zero wind chill factor, so everyone was excited. We had people that came from all around the world, as far as Australia. We talked to people from Finland, from Germany, from Ireland. Came all the way to Bayonne, New Jersey to ride on Quantum of the Seas. So that kind of tells you the popularity of Royal Caribbean. So I am so happy that I experienced Quantum of the Seas, so I can speak to it firsthand when I book my clients on it. And you can always catch my videos and up-to-date information either on my YouTube channel, StopWaitingAndTravel.com, or catch me on SmugMug, StopWaitingAndTravel.com, and I'll catch those zip liners so you can see all the wonderful activities that you can experience here in Labadee, Haiti. StopWaitingAndTravel.com.